Okay, guys, so let's start. So today first, we will start with capturing, okay, packet capturing, some troubleshooting, and some debugs and all. Okay, but before that, we have to connect our Palo Alto with internet. Okay, and after that, the topic is app ID. So all these things we have to finish it today. So first of all, we need internet. So we have to connect our Palo Alto with the ISP only. So we have to perform 3 steps. That is not mentioned here. Okay, the first thing is we need to change what? We have to assign IP address from which network 192.168.0.0/24 there. I'll assign the IP as a .150. Then we have to configure default route, okay, on outside interface, okay, and after that we have to configure netting. We have to go with the netting concept, and in the netting, which NAT I'm going to be use the dynamic path, and which is all about interface. That is all about interface based. Okay, so these 3 things we have to perform. Okay, so let's do that. So HTTP is all about 10.20.20.150. So we have reachability with IE6i for about 150. Okay. Let me start with workstation. Okay, it's power on. Let me power on. Okay, we'll take 2 minutes. So after that time, I need one inside router. So where is the inside router here? Let me check the inside router. Inside router I need. Let me start it. I need one test PC, inside test PC. So test PC for Palo Alto 1. This is for the first Palo Alto, means inside one. So let me bring it on this side. Palo Alto here. This is Palo Alto here now, and this is all about test PC. Okay. Let me change the VLAN on Palo Alto here. Inside router, that's fine. Palo Alto. Let me change it outside. Let me use here VM network. That is connected. VLAN change. That's fine. Router is okay. Router is also fine. Okay. And this is inside PC. Only these devices are required. Okay. And on the outside, what I'm using, we are using actual internet. So outside router, outside servers and all not required. Okay. So today in the starting, we need all these devices. The first is all about inside router, inside PC, one Palo Alto. Then we have ISP. And that is my adapter over there. Okay. That is also already connected. So just we have to change the IP address here. Here in the previous class, we were using 11 dot something. Okay. Today we have to use 192.168. Okay. Then what will be the gateway? Gateway will be the .1. So first of all, I'll change the IP. Then I'll configure the default route. And after that, we will configure the NAT. Okay. And we have to check our policies as well. Okay. Then check inter-zone policy as well. Okay, these are the things. Yeah. So let it be start. We'll take 1 or 2 minutes. Started Palo Alto. Just wait and watch from here. Let me start. I'm able to ping. That's fine. Now let me go with the access here. Okay. Not able to browse it. HTTPS 10.20.20.150 here. Wait and watch because the services are getting started. Will take some time. So the first thing we will discuss about some troubleshooting. So as you know, PCAP. Do you know what is the PCAP format? That is all about a Wireshark. Wireshark, when we are using Wireshark and all, okay, that file when we are saving it. So that is always .p.pcap cap format here. .text is all about Notepad, MP4, MP3, okay, JPG, okay, PNG. So these are the formats. So same PCAP is the format for the Wireshark, okay. So we have to download some files, capturing files and all, okay. So that is the format for the Wireshark. So we have to go with the app ID as well. We have to block, like today we will block any desk, we will block some TeamViewer and all, Facebook, okay, Instagram and also these type of application we will try to block it today, okay. Now, automatically save admin 1, 2, 3. Let it be start. Welcome to PA. Now, go to the interfaces, go to the network, go to the interfaces. We need to change the IP address. E1/2, we need to change it. VLAN we have already changed. Okay. Go to IPv4 outside IP. Let me delete it. Let me add 192.168.0.150. IP address change. Make it okay. Yes. That's then. Go to the routing table. Go to the virtual router. Need to add one default route for the outside interface. Let me add here. Okay, on which interface? It's all about outside interface. Okay, so default route destination is all about any network. Okay, then IP address next stop is what? 190.0.1. Any doubt? This is clear. Let me add the route. Route is added. The third thing is all about NATing. Go to the policy, go to the NAT, and add one policy. So this is all about dynamic path, which is all about interface based. Clear? IPv4, what are the rules? If you want to mention here, you can mention inside to the outside. This is just only tagging. What's the original packet? What is the source? LAN, inside zone, destination, outside, destination interface, to service, any. Source, any, destination, I'll keep it, any. Translated into dynamic IP and port, interface based. Which interface? /2. If you want to mention IP, you can, otherwise automatically it will be used that thing. All the three things we have configured. Let me commit. Let it be. Side by side, let me open its SSH session with PuTTY. Okay. 10.20.20.150. Username all about .20.20.150. SSH, open it. Admin. Up to that time, I'll change the wait and watch. On that 1, 2, 3. Already committed. Okay. Static now default route next hop is not in subnet of outgoing. Okay, we will check the IP addresses and all. 1 second. Show interface all. 150, that's fine. Show routing, route, this one, it's correct. What's the problem? Okay, let me ping with, ping with as a source of 192.168.0.1 as a host. Who will be the host? 192.168.0.1. Okay, 150. Source is 150. We are getting the reply. That's fine. And now go with the Google DNS, means public DNS. We are getting the reply. That's fine. Okay. Go to the inside router now. This is an inside router, inside PC, anything you can use it. Let me just ping with my firewall 10 dot 1.1.150 fine. Ping with 8.8.8.8. I'm able to. Everything is fine. Go with the test PC. Everything is fine. Go with the Netflix. Netflix India. My internet is working. Okay. So what does it mean? It means we have the reachability from inside PC to the actual internet here. With the actual internet. Clear or not? Now, go to objects. Okay. And in objects, go to the device. And in device, okay, go to monitor, And first thing is all about session browsers. The first thing is, mention it, session browser. We have to go with the three things. Session browser, we will go with the packet captures, and third is all about troubleshooting, mentioned on the left side, on the right side. Session browser, packet capture, we have to capture the packet, and the pcap format, and after that, troubleshooting. We have to troubleshoot as well. Sometimes it's happened in the corporate or in the networks, okay, you won't get any CLI access, but you have to try to ping, you have to trace route and all, okay, because for the troubleshooting, that is the basics commands, okay. So how to use those commands from the GUI part, so that we have to discuss. You don't have CLI access, you have only GUI access. Okay. Now, so the first thing is all about session browsers here. So session browser means it's all about, you can say, basically if I'm comparing with ASA or FTD, it's all about type of connection tables, okay, which will maintain the entry of all the sessions, which is going through, okay, that particular firewall. So let's consider if I'm talking about this one here, okay. Today is 23rd December. This is day 23rd December. Timing is a little bit different. It's all about 4:09 a.m. Okay, whatever, but date is same. From zone, which is zone? It's all about inside. To the outside, what is the source? 10.1.1.5. Because who's my 10.1.1.5? This is my 10.1. Destination is all about 45.57.91.1. This is Netflix IP address, public IP. DNS is already done, okay. From port number 49988, it's all about random port number. To port number 443, which protocol? TCP we are using or not? So this is all about TCP. Application is all about SSL we are using. Netflix based, this one, okay. Then what are the rules and all? Inside to the, which rule we have configured? Inside to outside. Hope you remember we have configured this rule, okay. Ingress interface, okay, Ethernet 1, egress E/2 there. Ingress E1 and then exit is E/2, okay. After that, bytes, it's all about size. It's all about vSystem. vSystem means like VLANs we have. VLAN concept we have on the switches, virtual VLAN. Then we have VRF concept on the routers. Then we have context string concept on the firewall, Okay, ASA. And now we have vSystem. vSystem is all about virtual systems. So by default, we are using basic virtual system. And right now, how many VS do we have? One only. Okay. Click this one here and try to expand it. All the information. This is all the information. Okay. Now see, is that visible? Now it's fine. Okay. Now see, what is session ID? 95. Was the timeout? 15. Which virtual system? VS1. By default, which VS is there? VS1 only. Please note down. By default, what is the virtual system? By default, we have native VLAN, right? So this is all about vSys1. See guys, always we have discussed HTTPS is more secure as compared to HTTP. Why? HTTPS. S is more secure. Okay, why? Because this is S is all about which protocol? SSL protocol. Because of SSL, HTTP is secure. SSL is in a type of, you can say, a protocol only. It's in a protocol only. Actually, it's in a collection of so many protocols. We have handshake protocol with that. We have one backend protocol. Okay, we have chain cipher suit protocol over there. So like that, we have 4 protocols. Then we have again some sub protocols. Okay, so let's consider if I'm using Netflix here. Okay, so Netflix, this is all about secure one. Okay, so let's consider I'm going with Cisco certifications. Okay, training and certification. See, cisco.com. Exactly what is this URL? This is all about HTTPS. Why HTTPS? Because HTTPS is more secure as compared to HTTP. So guys, daily when we are browsing anything, okay, we are always using HTTPS. Even you no need to type HTTPS, just type Google and then all about HTTPS. Okay, so when we are using HTTPS, S is all about SSL. SSL is in a protocol. It's in a source of the protocol. And guys, this concept is also known as web VPN. We are using one VPN by default. Daily we are using the VPNs and all. Okay, but yes, generally the people, they are not aware about that. Only technical people are aware about that. So that is all about web VPN. You can, okay, you can say browser based VPN. This VPN, because I'm using what? I'm using browser here. So this is browser VPN. You can say this is remote VPN. We are at remote locations. For the site-to-site VPNs, always both the sites always having the fixed IP addresses, static IP. But today, right now I'm on first floor, I'm using another network. Maybe once I'll go to second floor, I'll connect with any another network there. First floor is any like another network. But from everywhere, from all the floors, I can access internet easily. Okay, so dynamically my IP address is getting changed. So it's all about remote VPN, user at the remote location. So which protocol do we use? We use HTTPS for that. Okay. So if I'm coming back here, oh, sorry, HTTPS, and for HTTPS, which protocol is there? Your SSL protocol. Okay. So now, application is what? SSL, which we use on which layer? L7 layer. Okay. After that, if I'm talking about transport layer, which transport layer, on the transport layer, which protocol do we use for that? TCP. TCP protocol number 6. Protocol number 6. What's the security rule? Inside to outside we have configured. You can check it there. Go to policy and go to securities. And can you see inside to outside? This thing. Okay, the same policy. Now, NAT source is true. Any NAT destination false. Which net we are using, source net or destination net? We are using source net. So this is the reason it's what? True. And net destination, or you can say destination net is what? False, because there is a no destination. Clear? Now, net rule, we have configured one rule. What is the name of the rule? This name is configured by me only. That is dynamic patch interface based here. Any quality of services are you using? Any QoS rule? No. Any QoS class? Class 4. By default, class 4 is there. Created by sync cookies and all to host session transfer tunnel. Right now, you're not aware about captive portal session and logs and all. Session and log, session in agreement, okay? Session from HA. These type of things we haven't configured, so it's always what? False here. So this is the details. What is the flow one? C2S, client to server. First, I'm a client, this is a server. So this is client to server. After that reply, server to client here. So we have two flow, flow 1 and flow 2. Please note it down.
Flow 1 always should be client
to server, and then that is server. It's all about request, from where you request. If request is coming from server to client, then flow 1 server to client, flow 2 reply client to server. So request is flow 1, reply is flow 2. That's it. It could be client to server and it could be server to client. Clear? Now, what is the direction here? C2S, client to server, from zone, inside obviously, source IP 10.5, destination is 8.8.4.4, all about DNS, okay? Sorry, from port number, this one, to the port number, this one, from user, unknown, to user, unknown, because user-based concept I'm not using. State is active, type is flow. S2C, outside zone, source is this one, destination is 192.168.0.150 there, because that IP I'm using as a public IP here, because on my firewall from inside 10.1.1.5, destination is, let's consider 8.8.4.4, but from this firewall now netting will be there. What is the source? Source will be 8. At the place of the 10, it will be 192.168.0. This public IP. Clear enough? Okay. And then finally, it to the from port 443 to the port this one, state is active. So this is all about flow, C2S, S2C. So this is all about like this way. Different sessions we have. Session number 2, okay. Session number 3, okay, and then we have session number 4. Clear? So this is the concept about your sessions. Yeah.
So here the source port and destination port, they are also random different time also.
Yes.
Actually, the reply should come the port number 5.
This is exactly not the reply. This is just flow. This is just a roadmap, not exact one of flow. What is the meaning of flow? Because see what is mentioned here. This is flow only. So flow is just type of roadmap. That's it. Okay, not the exact reply. Okay. So this is all about sessions browsing. Next is if I'm going with packet capture. Let's consider we have to capture the packet. On ESX side, we are doing all the practical on ESX side here. Okay. So on ESX side, I can't use Wireshark and all because all the virtual devices and all. But let's consider if you have to, you need some packet capturings and all, how to start it. Packet capturing is what? Oh, let's on it. Okay. Stages and all. So we need to add one here. Stage 1. What are the stages? These are the stages. Drop, firewall, receive, transmit. I have to transmit. Okay. File name, Amit. Make it okay. That's here. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
That's it. One more stage, all about firewall. Name, time. That's okay. 2 done.
Yeah.
Let me add one more. For all the stages I'm using, drop. It's all about CCNA. Okay, name itself I'll use drop. We can identify easily. Drop here. Let me add drop is there. Transmit. It's all about. Okay, first is already transmit. Receive. Make it receive. All the 4 packets are done. We have to capture the files here only, but for that, first you have to generate the traffic. Obviously. Okay, this is done. Let me go with inside the devices. Inside PC. Okay. Let me close the session here again. First is, let me open the ping. Ping with 10.10.1.1.150. To the traffic is done or not? Let me ping with 8.8.8.8. Through that, that's done. Let me ping with 192.168.0.1. I'm getting that. Okay. Now, https networkersom.com. YouTube. Understand? Networkersom. This is all about YouTube now. This is clear. Now, come back to the firewall. Packets good. Receives the packets. Now, let me first open the Amit file here. Amit.pcap type. See what's the format? .pcap. Automatically. Open it. Packets. Okay. Let's consider it's all about SSL. Okay. So it's all about SSL packets. Go through the packets. What are those packets? And TLS I'm using and all. Then use it. This is clear. All about packet. First capturing. Let me go with the second capturing. Second capture is downloading. Open it. All the top packets. Got it? Third is all about receive. Again receive. And then all about transmit.
It's about 42.
When we are browsing anything, it's not only about TCP traffic or so many traffic. Okay, all about that traffic. Okay, then this one. So 4 type of capturings we have, and all the 4 type of capturings here. Sometimes it's happened we need packet captures and all. So Wireshark should be installed on your machine. So then you can open it, because .pcap format, how will you open it? Okay, that's so like this way you can download the packets. So this is clear. All the settings. That's it. PCAP settings clear. Everything is clear. Again, if you have to like configure it, then okay, pre-pass match and all, enable everything. Go with that. Enable stage and all. That's it. Clear? So this is all about packet captures. Browsing done, session browsers done, packet captures done. From the session browser, you can see which sessions are going on. Okay, and from captures, you can download the captures. because I'll give you some task in that we need this capturing and all. That's fine. After that, I'm coming back with the devices and I'm going with some troubleshooting. See here, go to the device. Okay, go to device and then go with troubleshooting. So this is all about testing. We have to perform testing here. Okay, troubleshooting is all about testing only, because okay, we have to do the testing and all. Okay, means if we are getting some issues, then we have to find out the solution and then we have to go with the testing here. Security policy match. These are the different type of tests you can perform here. Okay, let's consider policy match. When your traffic is going through the firewall, which traffic is matching with your particular policies here. So let's consider right now. First, I'm going with the basic ping. How many counts? By default 5. Let me make it 25. Any interval you want to mention? No. By default, whatever is there. Pattern, size, anything you want to mention? Nothing. Host, who's the destination? 8.8.8.8. Who's the source? 192.168.0.150. Source and host. Execute. Result details will be here. Can you see on this side? Wait and watch. Ping. Count, okay, let me make it 5 only. Sources 192.168.0.150. Don't attempt to print address symbolically. Okay, A.A.A. Display detailed outlines. Okay, execute. This was okay. So this is result and this all the other pings. Okay, let me mention this is all about 50. Execute. 50 ping will be. Will take obviously time. Okay, it's all about 50 ping one by one. Wait and watch. Test result and then result details of it. All the 25 packets. Okay. Next is, let's consider you have to go with trace route. Okay. Use IPv4, force TL, maximum TL, port number, TOS, wait, pause, set the dot, fragment, bit, and all. Nothing is there. Okay. Who's the source? 192.168.0.150. Tab is 8.8.8.8. Who's the gateway? 192.168.0.1. My ACT router, bypass routing table and send directly to host. No. You can see the traces. So in case if you don't have CLI access or from GUI, you can perform all these things. How many options? How many tests do we have? It's in a long list. So you have to perform all the tests one by one. Yes, but after that, so many like tests are there. You can perform other tests also. Trace route here. Click on this one. All the trace routes.
No, we don't have reachability.
Source and host is correct. Still, it's going on. Just wait and watch. Test progress. Running tests are just going on. Taking too much time. Wait and watch, please. Any another test like this way, that policy match. Okay, so security policy match here from inside to the outside here. Source, mention anything over the 10.1. Keep it like this way only. Try to keep it like this way. Okay, anything over less like this way only. Okay, let's see. Source 10.1.1.1.5. Destination, mention anything. Actually, license we don't have some, and Palo Alto 85% features will work with license only. This is the one disadvantage here. Okay, not in FTDs and all. So it could be that reason. So we are not getting. Let's go with the routing then. Destination IP all about 8.8.8.8. Our virtual router is one virtual router we have, and its router. Source IP 10.1.1.1.5. Source port random. Destination IP 5.5. Oh, sorry, 8.8.8 only. Try to execute. Okay, there's the results over. Okay, so we'll take some time here. Okay, this is about fib lookup I'm talking about, not mfib. Okay, so log collector connectivity, external dynamic list, upgrade server connectivity, and all. So from here you have to perform it. So like quality of services, okay, authentication, these things we have to discuss right now. Okay, it's not completed yet. From inside to outside. So 10.1.1.1.5, destination keep it like 8.8.8.8 here. Source port okay, destination port nothing. Okay, 8 here. Go with the TCP UDP. Let me go with the UDP traffic. Let me execute here. No complete. Okay, for that thing, nothing is to interface. Go with the TCP. Near about 40K. Yeah. 1 year. Okay, license. Okay, but now you're aware about that, how to use troubleshooting concept in that. Okay, so 3 things we have discussed. One is session browser. The second thing is all about packet captures, and third is about troubleshooting. Next is all about app IDs. Okay, the next topic is application ID. Now guys, see, Palo Alto is all about license based. Now onwards, all the features are license based. 98% features now. Okay, hardly like site-to-site VPN. Okay, even I'm talking about HAs. Okay, so these type of basics features we can perform without any type of license. But after that, any type of filtering, maybe app filtering, URL filtering, any content filtering, okay, antivirus, any type of filtering, okay, that is just depends on license. Without license, we can't go with that. Okay, but still we have to learn how to configure all these things. So first of all, I'm going to start with app ID. Now, guys, I'm a trainer here. I'm from the security team. So I have all the database of security students, most of the students. One most trainer is there. Let's consider Puneet Pandey. He is from enterprise background. That guy has the database of all the enterprise students. Okay. Now, this is Palo Alto. This is all about Cisco. Okay. Now, what's the Palo Alto? Palo Alto is in a firewall. Okay. They are also going with the application filtering and all. So now Palo Alto has one cloud over there. Okay. Let's consider right now on Palo Alto, Facebook is there. Okay. Your AnyDesk is there. All these popular applications are mentioned, but there's one application that name is abc.10. It's new application. And this Palo Alto is not aware about that. What is the cloud-based concept? Cloud is like in a service, paid services. We have to pay for that. These type of cloud, all the vendors, they're supporting these type of cloud services. So for Palo Alto, there's one cloud service. Okay, that cloud service is known as one second. That name of that one is Applipedia. Applipedia.paloaltonetworks.com. Networks.com. What does that mean? Actually, this is one database or cloud-based service. And on this database or on this particular cloud, all the updated applications are. Every time the Palo Alto got to know about one application, ABC.10, immediately they will update where? To the cloud itself. Let's consider today, let's consider I'm a trainer, I got some update from management, tomorrow there's a no class. So I have to update you or not. So then between management and between student, I'm acting as a what? Cloud over there. Okay, so same. Now, there's a new application in the market, okay, that name is some ABC.10. ABC.10 here. Cloud, Palo Alto somehow got to know about this application, and this is very dangerous and all. Okay, it's very critical, maybe on this site or maybe on this application. It's not good for your network. So many threats out there, so many malwares out there. So immediately Palo Alto guys, they will update its database. If there's no one site, and that is what? ABC.10. Okay. Now, what is the risk of that? What is the risk of this application? So that risk categories are like divided into different parts. First is all about categories, then about subcategories, technologies, risk management. Now this is the risk percentage here. Now you are using one mobile, and this is from MI. Cost is only 10K. You are not using any back cover, no problem. You have iPhone 12. Okay, you will use 2 side covers on that because risk is high on that. Clear or not? This is your mobile phone. One small kid is there, and that guy is asking for mobile to play the games and all. Easily you can. Okay, no problem. Same mobile. Now your father or your mother, they're asking, okay, give me your mobile phone and unlock it. What is the risk percentage?
100%.
200%. Okay, so that is what percentage of the risk there. So same now, it's all about cloud. This is a Palo Alto teams. They got to know about one application ABC.10, but this is very dangerous application or URL. Then they will update it and they will assign it some grading concept is there. What is the grading? This type of grading. 5 is the highest one. So then to this application, they will assign the number 5. 5 means high risk able. If it's 1, low risk able. That's not an issue. Okay. So then I'm using Palo Alto in my network. If I have license and if I have subscription of this cloud, then I'll get to know about this application, because then this cloud will send what? Updates over there. Okay, this is the update, please install it. If you don't have subscription of this one, no update, nothing is there, and your network is in danger now. Means maybe this is an attacker now, okay, and your Palo Alto is not aware about this application. Maybe by mistake or some of your employer will install this application in your network. Now everything clear or not? So the subscription of these type of cloud is very important. So what is the cloud name for the applications and all? Applipedia.Palo Alto Networks. Appli, also not here. Applipedia, Palo Alto Networks. Applipedia.Palo Alto Networks. Application Research Center. This is just for the application. Then for the URLs, a different one. For the malware traffic, different cloud. For the different type of viruses, different type of malwares. For the ransomware, different research center. They will do the research. Whatever the result, they will update in the cloud. If you have subscriptions, you will get the update. Otherwise, nothing. Okay. So now they have divided the application in categories. Okay, so many applications are there. Obviously, they have divided in networkers home. If we are 20 trainers, so we have categories. Five from the security, 2 from the enterprise. This is the cloud. This is in the cloud. This is for this guy for the AWS. This is for the Azure. This is for the Google Cloud and Alibaba and all. So categories are there. Okay. In the corporate also, HR department, IT, sales, finance. So different categories. Same here. Business system, collaboration, general internet, media, networking. Okay. In business systems, subcategories. First category, within category, subcategories there. Okay, let's consider I'm talking about networking. Okay, so these are the networking based over there. Okay, these are the subcategories into that. Media one. Okay, these are the technology based over there. Okay, and this is their risk management. Let's consider if I'm talking about media, let it be browser, it will give you the list of all those applications. This one. Okay, mention here Facebook. Check it. Facebook there or not. This is all about media parts. Okay, what are the risk management here? Business systems and all. Okay, go with Gmail here. Okay, Google Calendar Enterprises over there. So these are the what different type of things. Go with Anydesk. It's not mentioned here. Go with Team Viewer here. For the remote access always, for the networking only. Subcategory technology is what? Browser based, client server. Browser based means used from the browser, and we have client as well, applications there. Okay, risk is what? This is the risk percentage. Okay, characteristics: SaaS, cloud based, transfer files, tunnel other applications, vulnerabilities, widely used. Clear? So all right now I don't have access of this thing, so I don't have full details of this application, but once you will get the access, okay, then you will get the proper details over there. Okay, Facebook. Now networking, media, okay, and all access, don't have access, so not getting the exact result over there. But from team viewer, this one, that I think that is clear, right? Gaming. different ones. Okay, it's in a proper list. In this one you can see it's in a list actually, but we don't have access of that because we don't have license and we don't have any access of this Applipedia cloud. Okay, if I'm talking about this one, go to the objects, we have these are the things over. This is all about content filtering. This is all about content filtering, antivirus, anti-spare, vulnerabilities, URL filtering, file blocking, while database, and this one. And objects, go with security profile. Mention it. Note it down, please. Clear? Now, we have vulnerabilities, we have URL filtering, spyware, and data patterns over there. Okay, so like this way, it's in a long list. Applications. We're talking about application. Can you see the same categories over there? Okay, try to find out Facebook. This is inbuilt. This is all about inbuilt here. Can you see Facebook? Facebook is over there. Within Facebook, what is the Facebook? Name is Facebook there. Additional information, go to Wikipedia, Google, or Yahoo. What is the description? Facebook is a social networking website launched on February 4th, 2004. The free access website is privately owned and operated by Facebook and corporation. Users can join network organized by the city, workplace, school, okay, reasons to connect and interact with the other people there. So this is full information about this one. Who is the owner of this one? Okay, so these type of informations there. So within Facebook, if I'm talking about LinkedIn is an application, but within that we have so many sub applications. Chat, one sub application. Okay, chatting, video calling, jobs, messaging, notifications. So these are the sub applications over there. So same on Facebook as well. Okay, we have sub applications. See, Facebook app, base, chat, coach, file sharing, posting, rooms. These days rooms is there, okay, like Hike, social plugins, videos, voice, mail, social app cam, Tinder. This is Tinder and other applications. Okay, so this is all about Facebook. full of Facebook information. What is the percentage risk management? Can you see? This is different ones, sir. Different concepts, different risk. To the video, 4 is there, browser based. TCP always uses your 443. Even it will use which protocol and all, it will show you those type of things. Voice over IP and video call peer-to-peer. Okay, so these type of information. Clear or not? Okay, so this is all about application. It's all about application groups. If you want to add any application groups and all, let's consider, I just want to make in a group here of my social networking site. Okay, social networking. What do you want? Application I want to mention here. Which one? Facebook. Okay, so this is all about Facebook. Closer. Okay, so these type of applications I can add from it. Just browse it and then just add it over there. Okay, this is just what we are doing. We are just trying to create one, you can say, type of database over there. Okay, this one, check here, Facebook. Facebook is done. I want to block the Facebook. Okay, now let's try to find out. Instagram is there. I don't think so. Insta will be there. Insta is not there. I'll go with. It was there. I'll check. Amazon. So many things we have. Amazon Alexa, console, crime, cloud, and all. Let's consider if you want to block Alexas and all. Okay. Go with Instagram. Instagram is there. That is done. Okay. So these type of things, if you want to mention it. It's my group now. If you need all these, let's consider if you have to block it. If you have to, let's consider 20 sites you have to block. Make a group every time, make a group of 20 sites and then call it anywhere. Okay, so this are those type of things. But where should we call all these things? Go to policies, inside to outside, go to applications. Add, you can just find out here. We have application filter, go with the groups. You can add that group here again. Okay, that is not showing. Okay, we can create it over here as well. Okay, this one. Clear? For any main application, both the things you can do. Sub application also and main applications also. Add here again, new application filter if you want to mention. Let's consider you want to block here Facebook. Let's consider any desk. Any desk is okay. Then let's consider all about Zoom. Zoom as an application here. Okay, use Zoom over there. Okay, go with TeamViewer. Add it all there. Okay, make it now. This is all about actions here. Action will be, should be block over there, but I can't use on top of this thing. I have to use separately. Okay, because if you will use here only, it will block all the traffics over there. Because this inside, this is what it will allow your traffic. Add one policy just for application blocking. Okay, tag always about inside to outside here. Source, you can mention any source, destination any, source zone. Let me mention here zone at click. Inside source could be any, destination outside, application. So then now define it. Let's consider define any desk. This is okay. Define here TeamViewer. TeamViewer here. Okay. Next application all about Zoom. Okay. You want to block it. That is done. Serial actions. Allow. Block it. Create the sessions. So once session will be created and one session will be end. In the session browsers, we can check all these things here. This is done here. Make it here. Should be on top of that. Blocking here. This is inside to outside. Change its sequence. Because if you will make it down here, so on that time first they will check inside to outside and it will allow everything. Okay. Before committing anything, I just want to go back to my test PC. The test PC here. Now, let's check it, the reachabilities and all. Do I have any desk here? No, we don't have. Let me download it. Download and download TeamViewer. Let's get into. Up to that time, let me install the AnyDesk. AnyDesk is ready. Can you see the green sign? Green sign means this is ready here. Connect with the partner. Five 562 309 202. This is one of my rack here, and this is the AnyDesk of that thing. This is my that rack. I have access of my this one. So means my AnyDesk is working or not. Okay, that is my overall concept here. Let me check here my TeamViewer as well. This is my that PC, and this is ID of that thing. Let me mention this username and ID 129 3051 427. Password is 13. That is mentioned. Okay. Yeah. Let me terminate the connection. Okay. Now let me go with TeamViewer. Default installation. Let me install it.
Can we do the same things from base PC to visual basic?
Then from why you are blocking all these from base PC? You can that. But use test PC as a separate PC always. Admin PC, because from admin we have to just access it. Okay. Yes, I want to explore the full features. No personal use. TeamViewer is ready. Can you see? Ready to connect. This is already ready now. What's the ID? 1427. That's it.
password 13J6H.
13
small j 6 HA.
Log. Got it. Everything is working. Both the applications are working now. Now let me push the policy. Let me push the policies here, already done. Let me comment it. Yes, online guys, are you getting or not all these things? Are you there or not? First question. Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Done. This is done here now. Now let's go back with this one, and now close all these applications and all. Once go with first any test. Connecting. It will show you only connecting itself. Go with TeamViewer. Not ready. Please check your connection. Got it? Because the traffic is getting blocked where? On firewall. Go back to the firewall. Go to the objects. Go to the session and all. Where is the session? Okay, go to the monitor, sorry. And check your session and browser. From inside to outside, you can check. But this is just a roadmap. This is just a roadmap over here. Clear? That. So this is all about what? It's all about application. Clear? So like this way, any application you can block it. Just don't configure in the same policy. Otherwise, let's consider, let me change it sequence here. Changed. Let me comment. Clear? Successfully done. Let me go back to inside test PC here. Can you see now? Because order change. Can you see? Now it says. Okay. Again, go there. I have just changed the sequence of the policies. That's it. Nothing else. The sequence is always first priority because first policy saying allow it. If allow it, so why to block? Okay. But let me change it. This will say no, block it first. Okay. Done. Now go back to the same PC again and check it here again. Ready? Okay, no problem. Let me terminate the sessions and let me power it again. Connecting and these are the what? These are the applications, guys, not the URLs. URL is different thing. Application is different. Okay. So this is all about app identity. Okay.
Facebook, you can black
First, download Facebook application, then go it. Okay. Go with Zoom and all, install Zoom and all. So use some applications, okay, and then go with that concept. So this is all about app ID. Clear? So today we have done with the session browsers, we are done with the troubleshooting, we are done with the packet captures and app ID. That was the target and we completed. That's it. So tomorrow we will start with the content filtering. Tomorrow. Whole day will be content filtering. No, after that user ID. The content filtering, how many type of content filtering do we have? Almost in this one. Go to objects, security profiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 10 types of them. Okay, but all these things is always only license based. We have separate URL filtering. URL separate, application is separate, URL separate. We have to go with the URL filtering, and here we have to mention the sites, www.networkasm.coms and all. Okay, so then after that we have to go to policy, and then we have to this application only. Okay, service and URL configure it. So tomorrow the concept is, tomorrow's topic first URL filtering and then content filtering. Next 2 classes all about these 2 things. Okay, but for URL filtering, for the content filtering and all, we need license. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done for the day. So guys, if you have any doubt, if you have any question, so you can ask me. Your documents is already uploaded on the drive. You can go through the drive and then all app IDs there. Then content ID, URL filtering, I told you. Then decryption, one day. Then user ID, global protect and all these things. Next week we will finish. Yes, online guys. Any doubt? Any questions? It's clear. That's good. Then guys, see you tomorrow the same time. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.